Guys, hello glorious people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video on YouTube, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy for weight loss, all right, with the help of exercise as well.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
So the first ingredient we're going to be using is going to be apple cider vinegar. Okay, this is already finished. Okay, so I got a new one because after Christmas I've noticed that I've put on a little bit of weight and my tummy is actually very bloated. It's very big, so I just got a new one yesterday. So I want you guys to join me with this journey of a loose belly fat. Okay, so the second ingredient, love, that we are going to be using, we're going to be using ginger. We all know the benefits of ginger. Okay guys, and I've already peeled the one that I will need for the weight loss, and going to be needing our grater as well, and we're going to be the third ingredient we're going to be using raw honey. Okay guys, so guys, I will need my cup or a bowl, whichever that is comfortable with you guys, and I will also need my grater. You need a grater to be able to extract the water from the ginger. I've already peeled the one I'm going to be using for this journey of my belly fat. And so we also know the value of the ginger, that ginger can also as well help us to lose weight, and also is also good for cough. If you have a congested chest or you have a cough, you can combine it, ginger and honey as well. Either with honey and ginger creates a powerful boost of antioxidants. Okay guys, and this is going to help us to lose the belly fat, and it's going to help us as well to lose the weight quickly. So that is the reason why I chose to use ginger, apple cider vinegar and honey, so to speed up the weight loss for me. So please join me with this journey. Okay, I'm going to be using this for 7 days, then I'm going to review myself. I think this is enough for me. And also ginger tea also as well is very good. I love ginger tea. Yeah, not talking about it now, we just want to lose our weight. And I need to get the apple cider vinegar. So you only need a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. So you need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So 4 of this will make 2 tablespoons. So you need tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and you have to mix them well. You don't have to get rid of the stuff inside, just leave them. And you need to bring the so guys, we need our honey. I will like to take half teaspoon of honey because I don't like too much sweet. So you can take a tablespoon of honey, but I decide to take half teaspoon of honey. You can take 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, but I don't like sweetening. I just want to taste I want to feel the taste of apple cider and the ginger. I love to feel the taste, so that will help me. It speeds the losing weight for me. So I'm going to bring the water to the boil. So we're going to be adding the hot water into it. So I would like you guys to excuse me when I go and get the boiling water. Okay guys, so guys, I've brought the water to the boil, so you need to add this with it. So you need to stir in it, turn it until the honey himself disappear. So to be honest, you don't have to get rid of the stuff, just leave them together and drink it. The whole root is vegetable, so it's good for our system, it's good for our body. It's not going to do you any harm, believe me guys. So I'm going to be sipping this, okay? And let me know what you think. Join me with this journey of weight loss for 7 days. Please let me know guys if this really helped you. Leave the comment below, and don't forget to click the notification button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Should be in case if I have any new video that will be benefit for you, you're going to be among of the first people to be notified. Okay, thank you guys, stay blessed.